Today I'm going to show you how to make a Keto Fusilli pasta using Lupin flour. Let's go! Fusilli pasta is the one that's shaped like a corkscrew, and when I was growing up I used to have it at a barbecue or a potluck dinner or even on Christmas Day, and I had never heard of anyone using another pasta shape in a salad. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel where we're currently doing a series on keto pasta. Now if you are new here, please do take a look around, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new recipe. So this recipe is perfect if you love using Lupin flour, you're not gluten intolerant, and you have a pasta machine. When we make a keto pasta salad, I'm going to show you how to do it by hand, but for now, this is just the machine method. As usual, macros, shopping list, your instructions on cooking and storage are listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. To a bowl, add 122 grams or 2/3 of a cup of vital wheat gluten, then 122 grams of Lupin flour, 10 grams or 2 teaspoons of salt, then 1/4 teaspoon or 1 gram of xanthan gum. Give it a whisk to incorporate the xanthan gum into the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, beat 1 egg, then add it, 12 ml or 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and lastly 88 ml of water. Room temperature is fine. Then using your paddle attachment, mix to combine. Just want to show you this, partway through it'll look like this, but keep mixing until your dough comes together in big clumps. This is the dough 2/3 of the way through mixing. You can see it hasn't yet formed big clumps. Keep going. And there you go, your dough is ready. Remove the dough from your bowl and your total dough weight should be 403 grams. Then form each ball into a sausage shape. This is perfect for this type of pasta to be compatible with your machine. Set your speed to 6, which is about a medium speed. Extrude your pasta, then cut your strips into about 8-inch long strips. As you're extruding them, set them onto a lined baking sheet, or you can even use a lined casserole dish. Once the pasta is finished extruding, twist the strips into a corkscrew shape. Then bake your Keto Fusilli pasta for half an hour. We're doing half an hour just so you can cut your fusilli further and it doesn't stick together. Of course, once you've removed it from the oven, cut it into about 2-inch strips, and if you don't want to measure, just cut your 8-inch strips twice. Then lay the fusilli back onto your baking tray or casserole dish and bake for another half an hour. Do stay tuned. We're going to be making lots of pasta dishes using the shapes we've made over this series. Some of them just might be your favorite. Hope you don't miss out. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be well.